the greeting word and invite them on here, but they lead the world in conservation. If you didn't already know, yes. They created the world's first shark sanctuary in 2009. I am so excited. Como Mayan, Ali, to the people of Palau. It's my friend Ron Diesel. Aloha.
Ali! All right, if you don't know, Ali means hello in the Republic of Palau. Auntie Sia, thank you for that great, wonderful introduction. The Republic of Palau is thousands of miles east of Hawaii, near the Philippines. It's a little tiny dot, but I promise you when you're there, you're gonna enjoy a beautiful paradise you've never seen before. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna teach you guys 3 Palauan phrases, useful Palauan phrases, as we go through our performance today. Our first performance is a traditional dance performance performed by the beautiful women of the Republic of Palau, and it is a sacred dance. So consider yourself very lucky to witness some of these beautiful traditional dances that we bring from thousands of miles away. So our first word is how to say hello, Ali. Now, if you say it twice, you really mean you're welcome, okay? So, Ali, Ali! One more time, everybody, Ali, Ali! Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the beautiful women of the Republic of Palau. Let's give another round of applause to the beautiful women of the Republic of Palau. That dance talks a little bit about journey, about voyage, but mostly about motivation. Motivating the men when they are getting ready for war. Ladies and gentlemen, our second word for today is olep, which means wow. Can you say olep? Now, if you say it twice, you really mean it. Oleg, Oleg! Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for the mighty warriors of Palau! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause. The mighty warriors of Palau. And of course, those chants and those sounds you heard are to motivate each other and also to scare away the enemies. One very important word in Palau that you have to learn before you go to Palau, in case you get hurt, is ouch, right? So in Palau, when we say ouch, we say aki. All right, can I hear you say aki? All right, if you hit something, you bump into something, you say aki. If you're shaking and you're dancing and you kind of break that hip, you go aki. All right, now if you say it more than twice, all right, can I hear you guys say aki? Okay, you got to watch out when you say that on the island, because that means ouch, baby. All right, so be careful when you say that. All right, our next dance performance is a contemporary dance performance. This one a mixture of neighboring brothers and sisters dances from Micronesia as well as dances from Okinawa, Japan. The name of the dance is called Matomatong. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them another big round of applause. Our delegation from the Republic of Palau. All right, for those of you who don't know, Waisei means, it means just like that. All right? So that means you agree, all right? Can I hear a why say from everybody? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to witness a more modern, contemporary dance performance from our Palauan delegation, mixing traditional dance moves with more modern dance moves and modern music. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them another round of applause. The Palau delegation. You guys want more? If you feel good, say hey. If you feel real good, say hey, hey. If you love Palau, say Ali, Ali. Bring it up, bring it up, bring up the volume, bring up the volume. Let's go! Once again, everybody make some noise for the Republic of Palau. In Palau, when we say thank you, we say Sulang.
Sulang, Sulang, mahalo nui loa. Republic of Palau.
Come on, Auntie Sia, let's say it. Sulang, everybody, thank you.
Mahalo.
And see you in Palau.
My brother Rondi from Palau.